Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a Gmail account from other devices in just a few simple steps. First, open the Gmail app or go to google.com and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, click on Manage your Google account. At the top menu, scroll across and select the Security tab. Now scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. Then click on Manage All Devices at the bottom of that section. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently signed in with your Google account. Select the device you want to remove. For example, a Windows computer. Once inside, click on Sign Out or Remove Access. Confirm your action when prompted. That device will now be signed out of your Google account. And that's it. Your Gmail account has been removed from that device. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.